đụng rồi. Ai đụng vậy?
Ô, nó bỏ chạy luôn. Ôi, oh shoot. Oh my god.
Oh, lucky we're not over there. Để nó chạy.
Để cho nó chạy đi.
Oh my
god. It could have been
39, 40. Oh jeez. So that's not cool, you know.
It's cloudier too.
Oh yeah.
Like mid-30s sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's probably tomorrow where it's gonna, like, the high is gonna be 65 over there and the low is gonna be like 39, 40.
Oh jeez.
So that's not cool, you know.
It's cloudier too.
Oh yeah.
This guy, you serious? Dude just ran a red light. Just like that. I get it. Good.
Ontario Salisbury. Thanks for calling 1-800-DASHCAM. This is Sarah. How can I help? I knew it, but...
Uh-oh.
Do you remember me?
Sure I do.
You're supposed to be
Members wear shirts to hide their...
going down the wrong side of the road.
You use fairies.
What?
You're on the wrong side of the road, eh? You might want to do a U-turn.
First I pointed, then it
Okay, you need to be over there. All right.
Gosh!
So this guy is drunk as looking, he's all over the for on the move. Oh, swerving more. And he's just all over the road. And I was getting over, and I was going left. What are you doing, dummy? Oh, I kind of want to see him curb his tires there, and now he's slowing down. Oh, he got close to that curb. I don't want to go by him, though, because I don't feel like getting sideswiped. This guy is... I don't know. He's slowing down a lot, though, so I'm going to maybe go by him. I don't really want to. It's, oh, now he's over here. Okay. Uniform, oh, over the yellow line. Uniform Juliet, Charlie. He's over that lane. Jesus Christ. But, Uniform Juliet, Charlie, 9576.